Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today we will discuss why you need a mentor to learn Forex trading or whether there is really need a mentor. Literally mentor means teacher. In other words, the person from whom you will learn Forex is your mentor. Now the question is, does it really take a mentor to learn Forex or is YouTube enough? Moreover, there are many type of mentor available to learn Forex. So I am an official member of FOREX BD. I will discuss with you today in details about who should be followed or from whom to seek advice so that you can see the face of Forex career in the right way. So for those who have not yet done something good in Forex or are thinking of studying Forex or those who are practicing in demo, I would request you to watch the video patiently from beginning to end. This will at least help you to move your Forex career forward with the right guidelines. So hello viewers, I am a video maker of FOREX BD and official team member, and those who want to know different type of tips and tricks, please watch this playlist. Here you will find more hidden tips and tricks of Forex, and I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe. FOREX BD is another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you, and those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. Especially in our country, all the brothers who want to learn Forex trading are looking for help from different people to start Forex trading. Then if you get a good mentor and have enough experience, you can learn something good. But if you fall into the trap of a cheater, you can finally lose your last resource. For example, there are about 200 plus videos on FOREX BD. Many people are doing their course by just watching our videos, and those who are beginner are starting their journey with wrong decision. Anyone who is learning will think they are learning a lot, but when that student learns enough, after a year the beginner student become depressed because at the end of the day they think I have more to learn. This question stay in their mind. So from today you will not face such problem or any loss in future. So should you learn Forex from a mentor or is it better to learn Forex from YouTube? And many are regularly asking the FOREX BD official team how to get Forex signal. The FOREX BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of FOREX BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. FOREX BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, FOREX BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. First of all, if you go to classify mentor, we will see that there are three types of mentor. The first of those is online. You will get huge information from this media. If you just type Forex and search on Google, you will find many videos and articles. From there, you will get a lot of information to enrich your knowledge or to clear your basic. But you don't have to spend any money for this. That is completely free. But here is the thing, you can learn the basic by watching videos on YouTube. But the fact that basic is teaching well doesn't mean that the mentor for advanced Forex education can be a good decision for your future. And you can learn a lot of advanced level by watching many videos. And you can learn a lot of advanced level by watching Forex video on YouTube. But not everyone can understand easily. And those who understand, they watch video without purpose. So their Forex career is not longest. Because remember, we study a lot with the intention of getting any degree or job in our life, but we don't take Forex as a career. We always try to figure out how to make easy money. Again, many of you have been deceived by this emotion. This means learning a course from an institution or a person through money. Some have benefited and some have deceived by wrong and by many old lessons. Remember, you have to be updated with the era as well as the Forex market. Many people are teaching Forex for $50 to $100, but keep in mind that Forex is not an easy subject, because many people have taken Forex course as a profitable business at the present time. Because if you benefit from Forex, you will definitely not have time to teach, and at that time you will plan to make more income by using your trading to build your career. And in this way, good trader hide with big plan, and trader of 2 or 3 years start their plan with forex codes in that empty field. Again, many people suggest copy trading. There are many members of that group, many are in the community, many expert. So why we learn more? You did copy trading and then you lost everything. You couldn't say anything, you could not forget your money. And the one whom you copied got IB commission and you are the loser. So don't copy without knowing who the mentor is. That mistake is also make loss at the end of the day, because you did not follow a good mentor in a hurry to earn more in a short time. But yes, like every country, there are good traders in our country who maintain highness or settle their life in other country. Now many people may ask why FOREX BD does not do any course. The only reason is that in order to teach Forex, a student has to maintain for at least 5 or 6 months. At that time, it's impossible for our FOREX BD's owner sir, and it's very difficult for the FOREX BD official team to give time behind that course. But after voting in our group a few days ago, we realized that there are many followers who want to learn Forex from FOREX BD team in exchange for anything. And the FOREX BD team also want to bring honest and good traders from every district, and to have office with those traders in each district, because already 3 offices of FOREX BD have been opened up with the support and prayers of everyone. However, many of the beginner traders in our country have this sign that something is learned first with money. Since 3 types of mentors are available, so there are 3 types of use of the 3. Because of not knowing the use of these 3 properly, many people face loss while learning with money. So you can clear your basic from FOREX BD. As a result, you will not need money and you will not be likely to cheated. Because wherever there is the presence of money, there is a possibility of being cheated. Also, many are showing people the temptation of huge amount of income and they are facing loss with a large amount of money from them. But you can't learn anything good from them. Again, there are many who are not expert themselves but doing courses in the name of making people expert in exchange for money. I blame you first because you think Forex is too easy and make hasty decision about income. Not only you should know from someone, you also need to know how to justice. And you must know the basic of Forex, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to know the basic. If you watch this playlist of FOREX BD, then you will get the answer to all the questions yourself. But you must be patient because this is Forex, and the first thing to do in Forex is patience. Finally, if you want to make a career in Forex, first clear your basic of Forex. Watch this playlist, then slowly make a decision with a lot of time. Time will show you who can be a good mentor. And if the FOREX BD team wants to start a Forex course, if you have any idea about this, you can definitely let us know by commenting. But the main condition of course of the FOREX BD team must be learned for at least 5 to 6 months with patience and without rushing in the hope of earning income. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and NetAlert account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So let's take a look at the main video shortly. There are 3 types of mentor for learning Forex trading. First, you can learn from online, or you can learn Forex by watching FOREX BD's video. So since it's totally free, so you can learn your basic and clear your basic by watching FOREX FOREX BD's video, then you can decide what should you do. So I will request you, first don't waste money, first learn basic, then you can decide for yourself. So viewers, I hope this video will help you to your Forex career. A humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.